Welcome back to my channel, Math and Language, and we're going to discuss how to convert fractions to percent. Now, if you're going to convert fractions to percent, you have to convert it to decimal first, then into percent. So let's do it. So 3/5, convert it to decimal first. Since you don't have a calcu, you have to do the manual method. So 30 divided by 5, that will be 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 minus 30 is 0, no remainder. So we have 0 0.6 here. Now, that's 0 0.6. You have to multiply it by 100. That will be 60. Or zero point 0.6, move it 2 decimal places to the right. So that's 60. And when you get 60, you just add the percent sign. So that's it. So 3/5 here is 60%. Now, how about 1/2? Oh, you have to change it to decimal first. 1 divided by 2. Okay. So since 1 is less than 2, you have to put another 0 here. But of course, you must not forget the decimal point. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. No remainder. So get that 0 0.5. 0 0.5, multiply it by 100. You will get 50. And you add the percent sign. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, 4 over 7. Hmm, 4 over 7. Okay, so again, if you don't have a calculator, you have to do it manually. 4 over 7. Okay, just need some space. I'll just go down here. So we add another 0. How many 7s are there in 40? That will be 5. 5 times 7 is 35. So 40 minus 35 is 5. And we add another 0 because 5 is less than 7. How many 7s are there in 50? We know that there are 7. 7 times 7 is 49. And that's 1, right? So add another 0. How many 7 are there in 10? There's 1. 1 times 7 is 7. So that it will be 3. So add another 0. How many 7 are there in 30? It's 4. 4 times 7 is 28. So 30 minus 28, that will be 2. And yeah, remainder 2. But we will only get up to 4 decimal places. Now, get this number, 0.5714. We multiply it by 100, or just move the decimal places to the decimal point to the right by 2, and the answer will be 57.14. And you add the percent sign. Always do not forget it. Change it to decimal, multiply it by 100, and you add the percent sign. That will be 57.14%. Okay. Next one. How about 2 and 1/5? So I'll just move it. This one a little bit to the. Okay. 2 and 1/5. Now we know if it's. We just separate it first. I'll just separate it. 2 is a whole number. You have a whole number, just multiply it by 100, will be 200, and you add the percent sign. So we know that 2 is 200%. Now for 1/5, let's put 1/5. 1 divided by 5. So put another 0 here, 10. 2, 2 times 5 is 10. And yeah, 0 0.2. That's 0 0.2. You multiply it by 100, and you will get 20. And add the percent sign, we know that 1/5 is 20%. You add 200% to 20%, and the answer will be 220%. Okay? And last one. Okay, let me just delete this one, clear the writings on the board. 10 over 2. So let's just answer it. 10 over 2 is 5, right? And we multiply it by 100. That will be 500. And you add the percent sign. So the final answer for this one is 500%. Now let's check it. 3/5. 3 divided by 5 is 0.6. You multiply it by 100 and you add the percent sign and we got 60%. Correct. How about 1/2? So 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. Multiply by 100 and you add the percent sign, you have 50%. For 4/7, it is, wow, many decimal places. So you multiply it by 100 and you got it, 57.14, and you add the percent sign. 2 and 1/5. So 1/5 is 0.2. You add 2 and you multiply it by 100. That is 220. Yeah, 220%. Lastly, we have 10/2. 10 divided is 5, multiplied by 100, and you add the percent sign, you add 500%. And that's the end of the lesson on how to convert fractions to percent. Again, if you have questions or in need of clarifications, feel free to comment down. Again, I will really appreciate if you will like and subscribe and also share it. I'm almost there, hitting the 10K mark of subscribers. Again, this is James, your math and language instructor. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you again to my next video. Bye! Thank you very much.